What's up, my friends? So first of all, I will show you a data that how AI is changing everything. Okay, and if you don't use AI or if you cannot use AI, then you will be very lost this game, and your competitor, your besides dropshippers, will take your money. You will miss the opportunity. So this is a website that labubu.com.in, and they are getting monthly visitors that 376k, okay, which is very good, and average view duration is 1 minute over. Okay, so I mean it's almost 2 minutes that the visitor or the customer is spending in his time. So if the customer is spending 2 minutes time average, so it means that it has a lot of conversion. So what I will show you right now is that this stores is getting traffic from India, United States, but you will see that direct customer 76%, search 16%. Okay, so search, I mean in Google search, direct is also like from like this is a brand, people know this, that's why they just directly come to buy the brand name. Okay, so this is all using like by using the AI structure, AI giving everything's the business plan from 0 to 100k, 10k, okay, everything's. So that's why I will show you how you will use AI to automate your business more smoothly. If you don't know anything about e-commerce business or marketing or product research, so AI will help you. Okay, so let's go to the AI, which is the ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is enough. So when AI is comes to in your mind, only go to ChatGPT, no need to go others. So right now I ask him, give me a roadmap to scale a brand from 0 to 100 to 10k by Shopify SEO, because this stores is getting traffic by organically, no paid ads. So if you want that you will build a brand, if first your first month will be hit 10k, then within six months you will hit 100k. So this is the roadmap, this is the plan you should make. So I asked very clearly ChatGPT that he gave me first of all the phrase one, he gave me 5 phase. Okay, ChatGPT is very friendly. If you don't know English, just you ask in your native language, in your mother language, in Bangla, in Hindi, or any language, no problem, because he is very friendly to any language. Then he told me that perfect Nazmul, because I'm Nazmul. Here's the step-by-step roadmap to scale a Shopify brand from 0 to 10k by only using SEO, not any paid ads, because you know that paid ads is very now costly, expensive, and lot of advertisers are spending lot of money. So if you are a beginner, you have to come with SEO. So this is the roadmap, that foundation setup, week 1 to 2. So build a perfect SEO ready Shopify store. So first of all, you have to build a store that by looking your competitor. So if your niche is like my niche is to menstrual pain relief device, so we will sell this. So that's why this is the roadmap, that first of all I have to see my competitor, and I have to see the which stores they are making, how, and then just inspiring from them and make the store. So this is the foundation. And then you have to find the keyword research from many free tools like keyword planner, okay, Href, these are free tools. And then site structure, home page, category page, product pages. Okay, so there's 3 categories, I mean step. First of all, you have to optimize your home page, category page, product page, and then clean URLs. Okay, create clean URLs. So collection, menstrual relief device. So this will be done by your URL section. So when you will go to your stores, then you will go to in the settings and just do this. Okay, and on page optimization is very important. Optimize every page for one keyword. Yes, this will be good. Title, one keyword plus benefit, meta description. So every page you will follow a keyword that is searching. Okay, so for example, I go to Google keyword planner, pain relief, I search on keyword planner, so it is monthly 100k. So this is ChatGPT giving us a keyword, and this strategy also did this brand. So for example, he asked ChatGPT the keyword, the what questions people are asking for the product. So generally I will do the same. So this is the whole keyword list. So from this every keyword you will make every product page, collection page, and everything that match a keyword. And then we will go to next step, that phase 3, product page SEO, week 6 to 7. Okay, because we go with a 3 months roadmap So ChatGPT give a 3 months roadmap. That's why it's now week 6 to 7, and goal turn visitor into buyers through keyword plus conversion combo. So product title, menstrual pain relief device, portable period camp machine. Okay, so these are the main keyword that people searching, and description is 1000 plus words with natural keyword placement. If you don't want to 1000, then I think 300 to 500 words is enough for a description. Add bullet point, FAQ. For example, if I go to this brand shop, simple Labubu pack of 5. Description is here, very simple description. Shipping, returns, return refund policies. People also bought. If I go to this one, Popmart Labubu. Okay, cool. So a very simple product page. So if you want, you can also add a section like FAQ. This one. Okay. So then our next phase, backlink and authority. So backlink and authority will build by when you will build a good content, blog posts, product page, then automatically you will find a lot of backlink process. So I mean, you will go like guest post, health and lifestyle blogs, directory submission. Also Quora Reddit is totally free, so that's why you will just share your product content in there, in social media. Then from there you will also lot of backlink. And collaborate with microblogger, it's no need. If you can do this, so that's good. Phase 5, conversion analytics. Okay, turn organic in traffic into 10k month revenue. Add Google Analytics and Search Console. I mean GA4 and GSC. Okay, track your top performing pages. Optimize high traffic blogs with better CTS. So for example, your stores has traffic coming by a keyword, so then you will scale this keyword as a blog post, as a more forum FAQ. Okay, and then so estimates growth timeline, that foundation keyword 100 and 200 visitors each month, blogging plus products 500 to 1000, backlink conversion. Okay, so that's why ChatGPT giving the full roadmap. Okay, so that's it, my friend. So if you also need more and more guideline, better service from me about ChatGPT or AI to scale your dropshipping business, just contact me. Okay, from the video description.